Welcome to Commons Studios. This is a shared living experience on the Ithaca Commons, just steps from Restaurant Row. Each studio efficiency has its own private bathroom, and there's a communal kitchen and communal lounge for tenants to share. We're here today to see apartment F. Let's head on in. Each studio efficiency comes with 5 pieces of furniture: a desk and desk chair, a full-size bed, a bookcase, and a dresser. Each studio efficiency also comes with a microwave and a mini refrigerator. This apartment faces east with a limited view of the building next door. Each studio efficiency also comes with plenty of closet space. One great feature of Commons Studios is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a vanity and medicine cabinet and a shower and tub combo. Rent for Commons Studios apartments includes heat, water, trash and recycling fees, and electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons Studios F. Call us today for availability.